Good morning. In the morning. How are we all doing? Trying to sort of start as we mean to go on and picking the camera up off them. Try my best. But today is an engine rebuild kind of day. So you probably seen in the last video, I don't know if I actually shown this or not, but this is our blue 1.9 that had a, I did show it. It had that and it had a cracked head. So we had this engine that we were putting in. So yesterday, took a head off and got it a bit more ready because we have got a nice brand new head just over there. So get that on, start rebuilding it all back up again, and that'd be my job. That's my plan. Mr. Namo was working on this, I believe, last time. Sliding door lip, rigger and all that lot, and yeah, you can see all the new shiny parts everywhere. And then went for an MOT yesterday. All good, but
advisory on the discs on the front. The customer said to stick a new ones, so we literally were just waiting for the parts.
And then it's done.
Yeah.
And then that's done. Orange van that you see me working on, that is getting picked up for us tomorrow. This is getting picked up tomorrow, and I can't remember if we're actually showing it or not, but there was an auto that's done and going tomorrow. And then for us, this is Wednesday. Everything's getting picked up tomorrow, which is Thursday, and Friday we're going to Cornwall. So that should be good fun. And when we get back, Mr. Namo's got this one. This one you have seen a few times. It come in, it adds steering arms and heater controls. Then it had intercooler, turbo, injectors. It was made super fast. And then it had shocks and something else. And then lots of welding, as you can see. So that'll be for when we get back. Well, Di gets back. Mr. Dynamo,
Holiday mode.
who's actually in a happy mood. He is working on the petrol. So that's what Mr. Namo's up to. And last but definitely not least, what are you doing on this bad boy?
I don't know, he put a new diesel pump on it, and it doesn't run. It stopped running, and then he put a new diesel pump, and
It's still not running.
yeah.
So John is finding out why it doesn't run.
Well, like I said, I roughly put the belt on the other day,
But I got a feeling he didn't fill the pump with diesel.
We shall have a look.
So there we go. There's everybody here. Looking forward to Cornwall?
I'm looking forward to making it in, yeah.
Yeah, that one. Oh, I can show people the inside of your van. Because that looks different than last time even I seeded it. Because Mr. John is taking the hydro van to Cornwall. Currently just charging up the hydro batteries. But as you can remember last time this van, it didn't have a roof line in. Look at that. Roof lining, lights. It's even got a TV. How cool is that? Hydro van is actually finished. So there we go, there's updated. I'm going to put this down. I'll pick it up in a minute. We start building things up again, so see you then. Well, there's me a little bit more set it up. Also some nice big lights to help me out. But as you can hear, John has done that one now. He came in, had a diesel pump change, couldn't get it to run, so John's timed it all up. still wouldn't run. Turns out the fuel lines were on backwards. So swapped them over. So that's all done and dusted. Just tweaking the timing on that. Trying to get that thing to be perfecto. And I am now doing rebuild. And this is the head that come off of it. So yeah, that is why that is getting changed, because the head is cracked. But we now have a nice brand new one, which I now need to completely rebuild. So I've got to take injectors out of there. I've got the turbo off of it. Inlet manifold. Diesel pump. All the gaskets. Yeah! Happy days. So, that's going to be my job. Rebuild time. That light is so bright. Slap it on here. A little bit of this, a little bit of that, a little bit of stuff. Very pleased. I might try and stick you up for a little time lapse. I'm not too sure where it will be good to put you, but we will find out. And welcome to the voiceover. So as you can see, I'm just rebuilding this engine back up, salvaging the parts off of the cracked engine. So there's quite a lot of stuff that can come over. Obviously exhaust manifold, the turbo, inlet manifold, the injectors. Did put a whole new set of glow plugs in there, and the diesel pump on the other engine was actually brand new. Don't think it's ever had any diesel go through it until we put it on this one. So there is a brand new diesel pump to go on there. But it was actually quite enjoyable doing this. It was quite nice to do a little rebuild job. Relatively clean. It was actually made a nice change. And time to put the head on. So easy enough, just go across and do the tightening sequence, and then just do a few newton meters weight, yeah, not bad. And then she's all connected. Did have a few issues with her locating, not locator, but you'll see that now. Well, there we go. So as you just seen, just finished building all this lot up. We did have a slight little bit of fun where the locating pin was being a bit of a pain in the arse, but she's all done, all bolted down. So it's now time to transfer the stuff I can off of there onto there and build all this lot back up again. Happy days. Hopefully we've got housings and whatnot, but we shall figure that out as we go. As you can hear in the background, the petrol van is running. It's got a bit of a lumpy idle, so get it up to 10 and then time that thing up, and hopefully that'll be done. It's been a little bit of a pain in the arse. So I'm going to put the camera down because the battery's getting a bit low. I'm going to let you charge up for a little bit, and I'm going to tackle this a wee bit more. So see you in a bit. Well, it was at this point I didn't pick the camera back up again. We ended up doing a few more bits to the green van, and then we started putting our stuff in, getting ready to go to Cornwall. And yeah, from here until after Cornwall, I did not pick the camera back up again. This video should have probably been out maybe a week or so ago, but I just unfortunately haven't got round to getting anything edited, basically, which I am sorry about. But there is a lot of videos to come. I've actually got 2 or 3 that I need to sit and edit now. But Cornwall was a great trip. Absolutely love it. Definitely going to be making that like an annual trip. Such a phenomenal place. And thank you very much for being patient with us. Just got so much on. I am sorry. But I'm going to get myself gone. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please give a great big thumbs up. It does help the channel. But anyway, I'm going to get myself gone. Thank you for watching. Thank you for putting up with our dumb ass. And as always, take it easy.